What's up guys, Scraggy Pants here. We're opening up a Legends of Blue Eyes White Dragon pack. It's the first ever Yu-Gi-Oh set released. It's from 2002, it's the 2017 reprint edition. Never opened up an original pack from what I remember, but it's probably the closest I'll get to it. We got Umi, Urabi, Forest, M Warrior number 2, Giant Soldier of Stone, Fiend Reflection number 2, Violet Crystal, Sandstone, Nimariko, and that's the end. So, no holos unfortunately, no big Blue Eyes White Dragon. But I hope you guys did enjoy this throwback. You did get a Giant Soldier of Stone.